how to select anything with the same color in Adobe Illustrator. Now, traditionally, if you wanted to go through and select all the orange colors, you'd probably need to go through and select the color, select the next one holding shift and go through, and that would take far too much time. So the way to do it is to go to grab the orange one that you want to select, go to select, go to same, and then go down to fill color, and it'll select all the orange colors. And if you want to change them to black, all you need to do is select black and it'll change that color. You can do that with any of the different colors. If you wanted to change one of the colors, let's say the yellow was too bright, you want to select same color, fill color, and I want to change it to a nice green. Now it's a nice green color. So that's how to select anything with the same color in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you got something out of that tutorial. Consider subscribing, hit like, and check out one of my videos on screen now.